Uh, hey everybody. Um, just wanted to go over a few things to start getting ready for the virtual assembly that we're going to try out for, I believe, Monday, November 30th, in the morning. I've been talking to Ritu, Mila, and Maria in grade 8, and I think we have some good ideas going to put together something pretty cool to share with the school and kind of get everybody together and kind of one of the only ways that we can right now. So just wanted to make sure that kind of everyone again knew how to kind of get things to me if you're going to involve any of your students or to recognize anybody. Again, make sure to get that OneDrive app on your phone. It is the easiest way um, to share things with me through a folder. I just wanted to show you something because unfortunately there was an issue that didn't happen last year, and from everything that I've read and tried to troubleshoot, it seems to be it's something to do with some sort of security issue about people having access to a folder and being able to change things because everyone has the ability to edit. So this RamJam folder, which is where I'd like everything to go for November, when you when you go on your phone to send a video or a picture or something to this file, when you press on the OneDrive, when you're pressing share for a video or a folder and OneDrive comes up, it says My Files. So you can see here that it says My Files. And since I created it, RamJam is right here in My Files. In yours, it's going to be under Shared. So you have to open your computer for this. And don't worry, it's a very simple little thing. In Shared, you open up Shared and there'll be a list and you should find that there. So I don't have it because it's shared actually by me. So I'll just show you the idea though. So you click on Shared there and the Shared with you and you'll find it here. So here it is here. You just have to click and drag into My Files and drop it in there. And then that way when you're going to share a video or a picture or something in the folder, it's connected to your OneDrive on your phone, which makes it so simple. I can see that there's some stuff in here right now. If this does not work for you, you can't figure it out, it's frustrating, this is my phone number. So after you have a picture of the student that you'd like to recognize or a small video, text it to me. Say, this is so and so, couldn't figure it out, and then I'll take it from there. This is my number. Just make sure to say who you are. Okay, there's my number. If you can't figure out the OneDrive thing, just text it to me and I'll kind of take care of it. Okay, so the other thing is, so for this month, since things have been going along with kindness, I was thinking let's just keep that the theme if we're going to recognize a student. The other thing that's happening is bullying prevention week. So either one of those, recognizing a student that's kind of showing those kind of qualities, maybe just mentioning how they're showing kindness within your classroom, or if you want to relate it more to the bullying topic, go ahead. It really doesn't matter. It's just an opportunity to recognize a student or two from your classroom. Now, in order to do this, the best way to do this is to just take a small video of yourself with your phone and send it to the file. It's a little bit more fun that way. Students like to see their teachers' face in these kind of things. If not, if you're really just not into that, send me a picture of the student you're choosing and maybe a small write-up, and I'll get it in there. I'll do a voiceover or kind of write it in that way. But we want to make sure that we're kind of recognizing someone from each class. Some tips if you're going to do a video. Please make sure, okay, here it is here. Your phone has to be this way. Okay, in grade 2 we say, this is hot dog, this is hamburger. This is hot dog, this is hamburger. Your phone needs to be hamburger. Okay, so it's turned this way, that way it fills the whole screen. Get a family member to tape you. Hold it up yourself. Just make sure that it's somewhat steady and that it is in landscape mode. When you're recognizing the student, just keep it very, very short. A sentence or two, just mentioning their name, how they demonstrate these qualities, and obviously if you want to share more with them, you can do that with them personally. But when we're making videos like this, and even in live assemblies, you just got to think of, if people are talking for 2-3 minutes about each student, you can do the math for every class, and that's a lot for kindergartens, grade 1s, grade 2s to listen to, and they might not relate to it. So just short and sweet, a sentence or two. It's just to recognize them, and if you want to do more, like I said, you can do that within your class. Due date. If I could have anything that you're going to send, if you want to participate and have one of your students recognized, I'm going to say by November 25th. I believe that is a Wednesday. So a few days before, I'd like to have everything finished by that weekend. Unfortunately, after that due date, I can't accept anything else just because the editing process takes so long that you can't really rip apart everything to slide things in. It's not, if it was that easy, I would, but I can't. So we have to kind of stick to that date. So again, we're just recognizing a student from your class for kindness, or something to do that you can tie in for how they're kind of proactive in the whole bullying topic. Okay, I'm trying to keep this short to not bug people, but OneDrive. Otherwise, there's my number. Text me your stuff. If you're super stuck, tell me. I'll help you out. November 25th. That's it. And then me and the girls and a few other people, Mr. Lily's doing some behind the scenes stuff, and we'll get it going. Okay. Enjoy the weekend. I'm going to. Where's off?